Welcome to Montana Matters. We're joined by Randy Sayre of Division Mortgage. He is a reverse mortgage loan originator. Thanks so much for joining us today, Randy.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so today we're talking about reverse mortgages. You may have heard of a reverse mortgage, but not a lot of people know exactly what one is. So Randy is here to tell us more about that. So tell us more about a reverse mortgage.
A reverse mortgage loan is a FHA insured loan that homeowners age 62 and older are able to turn their home equity, a portion of it, into tax-free cash. They can spend that cash as they wish, and they also get to stay in the home for as long as they wish. At the point that the last owner, borrower, leaves the house, the note becomes due at that time, payable, and their estate takes care of it at that point.
Okay, so this really means that the money is available to them and there are no mortgage payments monthly.
That's the nice part about it. They're usually on fixed income, they're retired, and maybe the point of losing the mortgage payment of their home is enough, and then they keep the rest of the cash in a line of credit and can use that for a security blanket anytime. Possibly if big problems arise, they can tap into that, and like you say, no payment is necessary, and it works pretty good for the retired folks.
So who can really benefit from this?
You know, it's an infusion of cash to anybody that qualifies for it, so really anybody can qualify, can benefit from it. There also is a opportunity to purchase a home with a reverse mortgage. So realtors should take this into note, and a person can buy a home, put a reverse mortgage on it, and never make another house payment, other than they have to make sure the taxes and the insurance and maintain the property are current.
Okay, so a lot of folks can definitely benefit from this. Division Mortgage is licensed in Wyoming, North Dakota, and Montana. They are a local provider of the reverse mortgage. A lot of people can benefit. We have a story that we'd like to share with you. This is the Myers family from Powell, Wyoming.
I did a lot of research, and I know that in the past, the reverse mortgages have had kind of a bad name, but I heard the laws were changing. And I realized that this just might be the thing that we needed, because not only did it give us an opportunity to stay on the farm, we didn't have to sell off part of the farm, and we could live in our home and not have a payment anymore. And since we did have our mortgage paid down to a certain amount, it did pay off our mortgage, and it gave us the freedom that we needed to be able to live and have a quality of life. We didn't have to go back to work. We didn't have to get part-time jobs. We were able to pay off all of our bills. Our credit rating went up. Everything just got better.
Yeah, now if we want to go see the kids in Florida or out in Oregon, we can.
So this seems like an opportunity to consider for folks who maybe don't quite have enough for a comfortable retirement. We were chatting before the show. You mentioned sometimes things come up like pharmaceuticals that can become very expensive. So an option for sure. We saw the Myers family story. How can people learn more from Division Mortgage? The best way to reach you, probably visit your website.
They can. They can call us directly. Our number is 294-7207, and we'd be glad to answer any questions from anybody.
Okay, well, Randy, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.